Hi, today we are discussing multi-sale unit of measure. What is multi-sale unit of measure, why it is useful and how it works? Many industries such as pharmaceuticals, plastic pipe manufacturers, textiles and retailers, etc. deal with multiple sales of unit of measure instead of just one. And manual conversions can lead to errors. The multi-sale unit of measure helps businesses manage different unit of measure while ensuring accurate calculation. For example, a plastic pipe manufacturing company might purchase and manufacture in meters, but the customer may request the product in feet or inches. Let's assume the customer asks for a 10 feet of product. With the help of this module, the salesperson can simply put 10 feet quantity in the system and the system will automatically calculate it in meter and inches if it is given, while ensuring the inventory and billing remain in a single base unit of measure. This module specifically is designed in the sales part to manage the sale orders. So let's get into the module. To use this feature, first let's install the module Practech Multi-Sales UOM. Upon activating this in the user access rights, we will be able to see a boolean which allows user to modify the sales unit of measure. It is when it is disabled, it becomes read only to those users. So now I'm just enabling it as an admin user. And next we have to configure the unit of measure category. Here, let's ensure that all UOMs conversion ratio are given correctly. And we have to make sure that whenever we choose a unit for a particular product, that the other sales unit of measure has to belong into the same unit of measure categories. So now that we have the ratios, let's open a product. Here we have rigid PVC water pipes with the meter and given the sales price as a $10. And in the sales unit of measure, here you can see the sales UOM1 and the sales UOM2 is in meter, which is taken from the default unit of measure. So let's change it into feet and the other one into inches. So as you are selecting here, you can see in the drop down, it will list only the the specific unit of measure category. Here it will be only the length or distance category. So I'm choosing inches over here. I'm saving this. Let's see how it works in the sale order. Let's create a new quotation. In the products you can add that particular product, and here you can see for one quantity the SUOM1 and the SUOM2, which is in feet and inches, has calculated accordingly based on the unit of measure conversion we have given in the unit of measure category. So we have configured that for 1 meter it is $10, which is rounded off over here, and for 1 feet it is $3. So accordingly, for 39.37 inches, it is $0.25. So let's assume I want to change this product. This sale order is for 10 feet. So accordingly, the meter quantity and the inches quantity will change without affecting the price. If I want to change the pricing, let's say for 1 feet, I am giving it for $5. Accordingly, all the prices for the meter and the inches will change. Now let's confirm this and let's take a printout. So this is our printout, which describes complete that we had in the sale order. Like we have the unit of measure, sales unit of measure one, sales unit of measure two, and the other pricings as well. Now, when we go for the invoice, here we will be getting only one value, which is the main quantity and the main unit price. Here you can see the quantity and the unit price, which has accordingly changed from our conversion. So we are completely focusing on the sales part using this module. And now let's see what happens if a user don't have the ability to change the sales UOM. So let's disable this feature, and then we go to the products, and let's try to change this. And upon saving, we will get a validation error that we don't have the access. And let's see what happens when I'm trying to do a sale order. I can easily change the quantity, but I will not be able to change the unit of measure from here because it is read only. So that's all about the module. Thank you.